Right, we are back for day number 76. We took another loss. This one was a reduced loss, but I'm not gonna lie, we took 3 trades. One of them was all right-ish, like the first one. The third one was impulse, and I realized it earlier and I just closed it. But yeah, second one was actually the one in plan. So going into the day, I was bullish because we touched this 12-hour order block and also this daily order block right here. So I was bullish given that. However, the 4-hour was not bullish, like completely bullish yet. So there could be a chance that we touch this order block right here, and then we were just going higher up until this one, and then we would start to sell lower. So I was keeping an eye on the 1-hour close and the 4-hour. And if you look at it, I mean, this hasn't closed yet, but we closed above here and we had news at 3 p.m. So this is the small 1-hour order block. You can see that it got kind of respected with the news candle. And I wanted to short this simply because the 5-minute looks bearish, right? This 5-minute looks really, really bearish. You got this candle engulfing, then you got this touch right here, and then it breaks here, touches again, and then we had the third leg lower. I wanted to do this, but then again, news, I've been slipped with those, so not looking to get slipped again. So once I saw that, I knew when I entered this long that I was basically counter trading again, right? So here's what I did. I entered here with the stop around, actually a little bit higher, with the stop there. And my target was this one. So these are 1-hour highs because I was assuming that the 1-hour small order block would hold. Now I see us breaking like this structure right here. So I see this candle closing up. And then once I see this, I said, okay, I don't want to see any candles just because I'm sure that I'm longing a 5-minute bearish trend. I said, I want to keep it tight. So I don't want to see any candles close below this one. So this in theory is an order block right here. So because you got this one, it breaks this high and these highs right here, then you got these two candles, then this engulfs it. So this is the order block now, and this is the low of the structure. I don't want any candle to close below there. So close the trade earlier there, but before that, as I said, I took a short and I just decided to close it at break even because I didn't like the reaction again because we touched this 1-hour order block and then we just went straight ahead. So close that at break even. Now here comes my mistake, right? And it's a small one because this cost me like $13, but again, quickly to recognize it. I wanted to short this, right? And you can see how horrible that would have been to short. So all the way to here. So I wanted to short that. But then once I got filled, I ended up exiting around this area for minus 13. And since I knew that this was kind of tilting, I did like a 1 contract trade. So not much was lost, but I was minus 67. Now I'm minus 82. I think, I'm not sure, but if we lose the trade tomorrow, this account gets blown because of the trailing drawdown, because I've run this one to 51,600. So yeah, $100 more and this gets breached, which is okay. I still got one 150K, but I'm planning to change to my funded future simply due to the fact that I got greedy. Once I got to 51,600, I was like, okay, like 2 more trades and I'm getting the payout. I just need 2 more. And I started to expect the market to just give me a pass on trades and, you know, not following the plan completely. So that said, I think I'm going to switch to my funded futures just because they have easier payout requirements, and I only pay $80 anyways, which on Apex is much more expensive. You pay 30 for the challenge, and then you end up paying like 80 again for the activation, or 100 and something for the activation. So that's it for day number 76. We're in a bit of drawdown, quite big drawdown, but it's okay. I just gotta focus and keep trading. Like, I could have killed these shorts today, but it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow.